imagine you insure your car, you insure your home, but when you die, you're not insured.
So, another specialized insurance is yung tinatawag nating mga memorial plans. So, this is an insurance gives us that peace of mind na mababawasan yung iniisip natin in terms of our expenses. Naka-stress yung mga unexpected emergencies, pero in case kailangan mo maglabas ng malaking pera, hindi ka naman stress sa mga ganong bagay. So, always remember, in case of death, usually ang cost hanggang burial or kaya processing ng remains, nasa around 150,000 to 200,000, minsan hanggang 500,000 pa. If we have memorial plans, hindi mo na kailangan isipin yun. Itatawag mo lang siya sa insurance company. Sila na yung bahalang mag-pick up ng remains, tapos susunduin, and then ipaprocess yung remains, make up, hanggang sa casket, which is yun yung pinakamahal kapag mga nagkakaroon ng death, no? Lahat yun usually cost around 200,000 katulad na nasabi ko. But if you have a memorial plan, kumbaga nakaluwag-luwag tayo